welcome back to Girl Talk World. I'm Poppy and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a t-shirt into a bag that looks like this. And the best part is you don't even need a sewing kit. All you need is scissors and a t-shirt like I've got here. The first thing we need to do is take our t-shirt and I'm going to take my scissors, because all you need is scissors, and I'm going to cut here round the like sleeve. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. So there we go. So that is done. So it sort of looks a bit like a vest, kind of. Now what we need to do is do the same sort of thing, just cut all around here. So just get rid of all of that bit. Okay, so that bit is done. So if I just show you, it's gonna look a bit like this. I mean, it's a bit rough around the edges, but it doesn't really matter, to be honest, because you're just gonna be holding this part anyway. I'm going to turn it around this way. And what you need to do is make some kind of, how do I explain it to you? Some kind of like frayed cuts. So what I'm gonna do is make some cuts, just like that, on the edges. Okay, so now you've done that, it's gonna look a bit like this. If I just turn it around, it's gonna look like that, basically. So try and make them as even if you can, but if they're not, it doesn't really matter. Like, it's still gonna look good either way. So what you need to do now to make the base of the bag is tie these bits together. So I've just finished this. So I've just done it. So it looks so good, and it took me like 5 minutes to do the whole thing. So I'm just going to fill it just to show you what it would be like. You can put it on your shoulder, and like this. You can basically do anything with it. Like, it's so good, and like, it could just be an old t-shirt that doesn't fit you. You use it and make it into this. Like, it's actually really handy. Don't even need any sewing equipment, nothing, just scissors and a t-shirt. So I hope you enjoyed watching that video. I absolutely loved making my bag. So handy, and remember, the instructions are in this issue of Girl Talk Art, which is on sale now. If you haven't already subscribed to the Girl Talk channel, make sure you do that and check out the rest of our videos. See you next time, bye!